Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you why is my Cash App card locked and won't unlock. If your Cash App card is locked and you need to unlock it, there are two simple ways to do this. First, open your Cash App and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, look for the Cash Card icon. This is the second icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and you will see an option to unlock your card. Tap Unlock Card to complete the process. If this works, your Cash App card will be unlocked and you can use it again. If your card does not unlock using this method, there is another option. Start by tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down until you see the support option. Tap on it and in the search bar, type Unlock Card. You should see an article or instructions specifically for unlocking your Cash Card. Select it and it will guide you to the page where you can unlock your card. Follow the steps provided to resolve the issue. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.